We don't fuck with automatic transmissions.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, me, cameraman Pat, and my brother over here, Dylan. I don't think you guys met him yet. That's my brother. He's got a couple cool builds that you guys will see eventually. See all those parts? Yeah, that's Dylan's.
Look, he's actually sitting on his block right now.
Yup.
What's that? A flathead, you said?
They don't know what that is. That's too old for them.
Yeah, that's old school. That's real old school.
Whoever's old school in the comments that knows what a flathead is, you know, let them know.
Today, we are going to take apart my 2J that I just got from JDM Depot. Now remember, I did get it with the ECU, what's it called? De-immobilized? Non-immobilized.
Yeah, not
Yeah, that way I can use the ECU when it's time to plug this engine in, because I do want to run the stock ECU for now. So today our goal is to take off the automatic trans and take off the wiring. Alright, we're gonna start by taking the trans off because I want to put it on the engine stand so we're not bent over this thing the whole time. You can see the trans bolts, they go all around. So whatever looks like it's holding the trans to the motor, we gotta loosen those bolts. And I like to take them off like a little at a time. I don't want to take off one bolt, the entire thing, and create stress on the others. So little all around, and then once they're loose, just start taking them off.
Your buckets where you are and develop your gifts. I grant you, you'll never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.
Up. All the oil. Alright, so we got the trans off, and this is the torque converter because it was an automatic trans. And to get this baby off, we had to go under. We had to go down here, remove a rubber cap, and there are bolts back there. So we gotta loosen the bolt, turn the torque converter, loosen every bolt while turning the torque converter. You guys can't see anything, so we're just...
It's almost like the same thing as a clutch and a flywheel assembly, except you got to do it from behind on the engine side. It's pretty stupid, but that's why we don't fuck with automatic transmissions.
Alright, so we're getting some progress done. We got the torque converter off, and there was a little hole on the other side right over here, so we were able to get the bolt one by one as we turn it. Now I'm taking these flywheel bolts off. Flywheel comes off, and then we're gonna throw it on here.
Alright.
Alright, so everything was going pretty smooth until we kind of ran into a little small teeny tiny problem.
Yeah, too small of a problem.
Exactly, too small of a problem. So the bolt that Steve's actually holding in his hand right now is the original bolt that goes from the automatic trans to the engine. And unfortunately, it's just not long enough. It doesn't go through. We have two bottom bolts that work, but the two top ones don't work. So that's kind of our issue for today. We can't get the engine on the stand. Steve will go to AutoZone and pick up bolts another day. Steve and Dylan are over here working pretty damn hard.
Yeah, we're taking out all the wire loom, and because we don't need this wire loom, I'm going wiring specialties. He's taking out all the ripped hoses and power steering lines, AC condenser lines, all the lines. We're not gonna need any of that. This side I'm still working on the wire loom, trying to get the whole wire loom off. It is a little bit of a pain because it travels all around in and out of the intake, but I do want to get them off. I am getting wiring specialties, and I'm trying not to take this off so I don't have to get all new gaskets. Alright guys, I was able to take off the wire loom. It's all off. There's the ECU. Everything. It looks so clean without everything, not gonna lie. And it's not gonna be easy putting a new one on, but we'll figure it out. There's so many connections. Unfortunately, Pat had to go to work, so he left us stranded, so I had to finish this. Dylan had to clean up all on his own. But it's all good. We got you, Pat. That's it for today. We're gonna wrap it up, clean everything up. I'm gonna find bolts for the stand so I can put it on the stand and I can look at the rest of the gaskets, and it's a lot easier to look under it and everything. But yeah, stay tuned because this baby won't be too long before it gets in there. We still gotta rip out the KA.
Still gotta rip up the cage.
Still gotta
No
rip
more
out.
room.
Yep. My garage is so full. Look at that. Parts everywhere. If you guys want to do a swap, the number one concern is room. Anyone can do this, but you just need the room. Yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna continue this build. We're gonna work hard, get it done as fast as we can. I have a bunch of parts on the way. And that's it.
Me too.
Him too, for his build. He's got a bunch of parts on the way. I can't wait to show his. You guys are gonna love it. That's it, guys. Until next time, remember, work hard, stay humble.